Hi boss, my name is Laura from Impsor. Impsor formed in 2007. Has been in the heat pump industry for over 18 years. Our production base is located in Changzhou City in China. The services cover all over the world, such as European Union, Middle East, South Asia, and so on. Let me show you the power of made in China. Impsor made product services R290 and R32, R428 domestic and commercial heating pumps, home and commercial swimming pool heat pumps, domestic and commercial hot water heat pumps, global authoritative certification EN 14511 standard with CE, CB, SAA, CCC, and ERP certificates.
That's called professionalism.
Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach me out. Bye bye.